welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're checking out LiTime's 36V 100Ah Lithium golf cart battery. This is an awesome replacement for lead acid batteries. Smaller, lighter, better energy density, really good way to go. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech, get a discount on this. Use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's take a closer look at LiTime's 36V 100Ah Lithium iron phosphate golf cart battery. These lithium iron phosphate batteries are built to last a long time. This is born for golf carts, perfectly compatible with golf cart brands like Club Car, EasyGo, Icon, and Yamaha. Whether accelerating up, punishing hills, or unleashing blasts of torque, it can easily power your golf cart to drive through with its max 2C continuous discharging current and 650 amp 1 second peak discharging current. Unleashing boundless power. Boasting an enormous 3,840 watt-hour energy, these 36V golf cart batteries give you a longer driving range. On a full charge, it supports 30 to 35 miles, giving you a less stressful journey and giving you more access to roam the golf course all day long. And it's got LiTime's 200 amp BMS smart protection built right in. It's got robust 200 amp BMS, safeguards from overcurrent, overcharging, over-discharging, short circuits, overheating, and things like that. Giving this battery a really long lifetime. Don't have to worry about if you do end up in a situation or if you even make a mistake yourself. This is going to keep you in line. This is going to keep you protected. And you got that amazing 2C continuous discharging. Super powerful. Supports max 2C continuous discharging, which basically means you can discharge this at 200 amps continuously, even though it's a 100 amp hour battery. And you can get 650 amps for a 1 second peak. Basically, if you need a little extra juice for a second, you got it. And this is superior to lead acid in all aspects. I agree with that statement 100%. Compared to 6V 210 amp hour lead acid batteries, one LiTime 36 100 amp hour golf cart battery can offset 6 of those 6V 210 amp hour lead acid batteries. And its usable energy is only 1C discharging condition, it's not even worth it. You'd rather have something like this LiTime 38.4V 100 amp hour with a 2C rate. It's going to let you discharge at 2C rate, giving you twice as much power, 50% smaller and 85% lighter. You know batteries are one of the heaviest things in your build, so making the battery lighter is going to give it that extra boost as well. Durable, smoother, and safer. Compared to other lithium-ion batteries under the same operating conditions, these are actually better because it's got overcurrent charging protection to improve the cart's resistance to reverse charging, ensuring a more durable golf cart battery to drive smoother and safer. You could actually incorporate this into solar panels and things like that. You could have a very versatile system. It can power a wide range of vehicles, equipment, scenarios, whether powering golf carts, e-trike, electric shuttle buses, electric trike scooters, boathouses, outboard motors, home backup, really anything. These batteries are great to use. And you really can't beat the price and the additional discount going on right now. Plus, use my promo code if you want to get an additional discount on top of that. Feel free to use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So you can subscribe to my channel 100% for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over here to that unlimited deals.